Okay, good morning, good afternoon, addicts, or potential addicts. PC-Addicts.com here. Just want to do a video on a piece of software called Synergy. We've had a ton of people come into our chat, our 24/7 live chat, and ask, how do you set up Synergy? And if you don't know what Synergy is, well, you should probably know what Synergy is if you're watching this video, because you're searching on how to set it up or how other people set it up or whatever. But Synergy is a piece of software that you install on multiple computers to share one keyboard and one mouse. And let's get some lighting going on here. To share one computer and mouse. So for example, I have two computers running here. I got one sitting over here, which is my stream PC, and then I got one here, which is my main PC. And I have another keyboard and mouse over here that I use to control the stream PC, which is this one, which has this monitor and this monitor connected to it. These two monitors are connected to my main computer. Now, it's kind of a pain to keep switching to this keyboard and this mouse, so this little piece of software is free, and it allows you to just use one keyboard and one mouse for all monitors, which is nice. I haven't used it in a while, but I want to set it up and show you how to configure it, because we've had a lot of people need detailed help, and it's understanding, because when I first set it up, I had to ask for help from a friend called named Web Dev Master in our chat. So, but once you set it up and you understand it, it's pretty simple. So let's get started. Okay, so you want to go to synergy2.sourceforge.net, or just Google Synergy, and it's the first one that pops up. You want to click on latest release here, and for this purpose, we're going to do the first one here, the installer, the exe. So you just click it, downloads, save it wherever you want. Okay, in my case, I just saved it on my desktop, and to install it, just double click it, and it's the normal install procedure. A couple questions. It's real simple, nothing hard. Now you need to do that for both machines. Now I already installed it on the other one, just like I did here. I already installed it on both to speed up this video. Now okay, there's two portions to this software. Let's open this up. This says use another computer's shared keyboard and mouse, or share this computer's keyboard and mouse. Now we're sitting on my main computer with the two 22-inch widescreens that has my keyboard and mouse connected to it, the one I want to share. So this one, we're going to share this computer's keyboard and mouse. Now on the other computer, I can't show you that one right now in this video, but let's pretend that this is the other computer. The other one, we're going to click this, use another computer's shared keyboard and mouse, and other computer's host name. Now host name, I'm just going to use an IP address, 192.168.2.10, because that's the IP address. If we go into here and type ipconfig, you can see that that's my IP address, the one that has the keyboard and mouse connected to it. So we're gonna use this computer's keyboard and mouse. Now, since that was just for demonstration purposes, since we're sitting on the computer, my main one, we're gonna share this computer's keyboard and mouse. Now to configure it, this is the tricky part. This is where a lot of people get stuck. This is where I got stuck. You need to tell it what screens you have. Now mine's a little tricky because I got multiple monitors on both machines. Let's see if I can do this right the first time. It's been a while. So I want to add one, the screen name. Let's see, how are we doing this? 192.168.2. This one's going to be 10. Alias is going to be, let's just name it main computer. I think I'm going to mess this up, but we'll see. Let's add another one. So we want to add the other computer. 192.168.2.23 is its IP address. And this is stream PC. It's just so I know. Okay. Now, the way we want to do this is, well, and you know what though? I'm not sure how it's going to, because I have multiple monitors, it's been a while. let's just see what happens. Okay. What you got to do is you got to add links down here. So the first one we're going to do is right of this main computer that I'm on. So it's saying the right of this computer goes to 120 the other computer, and then you have to hit this plus and it adds it up in there. So let's do another one now. See, we just set it to say, hey, 192 is right of, so the stream PC is on the right side of this computer. Now we're gonna go, we got to do it the other way too. Left of the stream computer goes to my main computer. Hit OK. Oops, I didn't add that. So let's go back here again and go left of the stream computer goes to my main computer. Add. All right. Now, if I'm remembering correctly, I had dual monitors set up so before, and I think I had to add some more here. I'm not sure. Let's just see if it works, and we're going to go ahead and just test it. So what I want to do is hit test. Now it's just saying that it doesn't see unknown screen name, C Davis PC. Okay. Why is it using that as a screen name? Let's take out the aliases because I already know what they are. So this is good troubleshooting while we're recording. So let's hit test. Please check the log. I don't know what's going on there because it shouldn't be saved. Okay, let me just hit test on the other machine, and let's hit test here again. Alright, it's not working. Why is there a host name? Let's open it again. Configure. There's no host name there. Maybe it's saved in here. Okay. Yeah, let's just redo that really quick. Let's remove these and do it again. We'll go right of my main computer goes to that computer, and left of that computer goes to main computer. Add. It's still pulling in a screen name. Why is that? Okay, I'm gonna pause it for a second and see if okay, I figured it out. In this case, because I'm not using host names, I'm having I have some settings configured to kind of some security settings set. So instead of, by default, it sets your computer name as the host name here. So I just changed both of them on this one and the other computer from my computer name, which was Chris, what was it, C Davis PC or whatever, to the actual IP address. So 192.168.2.10 is this computer's address, and then the other one I put its address in there. And now when we test it, let's hit test. Okay, and then I'm going to go hit test on the other machine. Okay, it says we're connected. See that? Now you're not going to be able to see this, but if I scroll my mouse all the way over to the other one, it's actually controlling the other machine now. So I'm working on the stream PC right now, and then I scrolled it back and we're okay here. So basically the hardest part, let's go ahead and stop it all. The hardest part is configuring the server portion of it, the one that has the actual keyboard and mouse on it. And all you got to do is define they call it screens, but just define the two machines or however many machines you're installing this on, their IP addresses in here. Hit OK, and then down here you got to configure it. Now I remember what I did last time. I had 3 computers going, so you have to. It gets a little more tricky, but as soon as you figure out what this is doing and what this is saying, it gets pretty easy. So hopefully this helps, and maybe I will. I'm not sure. At the end of this video, I may show you with the other view. Oops, this is something else. With the other view, how it works. So okay, enjoy.